continuation video regarding Hewlett Packard USB install error. I had a message from Mohammed, I think he said he's having problems still after uninstalling the USB error from my first video. And I'm just giving a continuation of that on this video just to guide you and help you resolve it first. This is a quick fix. The answer is simple. Use online Wi-Fi connection instead of USB. Connect your printer through Wi-Fi. If the USB give you a problem, then there is a conflict component error between HP and Microsoft, and this has been going on for many months now, over a period. And I see a video that somebody talked about using Microsoft Intel chipsets installation, all the kind of installations that you need for components and patches and stuff to go to the supplier's website and do it. I think that's a good move. That's a brave move, but it's not the fix. The fix is, if you're still having problem with it, is to go to your Microsoft Store, and you can see here I've got my Microsoft Store. I've got a snapshot of it, and in it you take the first one, which is the one on the left, which is HP Smart. So you then go on and install this Smart option. Once you install it, make sure that you set your printer. Go before you do that, make sure when you use the USB and set it the first time, go to www.123.hp.com and then set up your printer for Wi-Fi and get it all set. Once you configure that, and then you come in here and you identify what your printer Wi-Fi is. This is from the first step. After installing the app, you open the app, you will have the add a new printer, and when you click on add a new printer, you will come to this option where it gives you the option to connect via online or search for the printer. So you can see that with the USB, I was offline. Okay, I disabled that function. I went on online and connect via Wi-Fi, and then I clicked on the IP address. If I'm unable to find it, I identify what my IP address for my printer was. That makes it easy to source. So I put in the IP address and I was able to source my printer, which shows online. Then I connected that. Once you connect to that, go to your Windows settings, and on the Windows, go to printers and scanners. And in here, once you're on printers and scanners, you can then search and scan again whilst you're online. You will then see your printer, and then you try and connect to it via online, and you can see my printer is connected, but I've been idle for a while, so it stays offline. Once I click the button, it activates. That's why it's been added successfully. You can see my printers on here, and all you got to do now is once you save it, then come out and then go to your Microsoft Word or Excel or PDF or whatever you got, and then you try to do unprinting from there. Then you send a printer. You can see mine is not showing, it's been collapsed, but in here you will have the new printer being added. Once you add that, then that's it, you're good to go. That's a quick fix, and it's basically go to the Microsoft Store, download the app, configure the app, connect with your IP, set up to Microsoft settings, and then next latter one is just to try and test your print, and you can see it will go. Basically, the process is, do not use USB connection to set up your printer. Use Wi-Fi connection to set up your printer, and you're good to go. And I hope that helps you. That's all, folks. Take care. Bye.